Welcome to Vast Accessories, your ultimate destination for all things tech. Whether you're a seasoned tech enthusiast or a curious beginner, get ready to embark on an exciting journey through the digital realm, exploring the latest gadgets, software, and cutting-edge innovations. Our mission is to demystify complex tech concepts. Whether you're looking to make informed tech decisions, learn something new, or simply geek out over the latest tech wonders, hit that subscribe button, ring the notification bell, and join us on this thrilling tech adventure. Graviter. Whether you want to add a touch of magic to your home, or looking for a unique gift, Graviter is the answer. It's a perfect blend of art, technology, and interior design. Graviter is not just a lamp. It's a work of art that defies gravity, designed with innovation and elegance in mind. It's a stunning fusion of form and function. What sets Graviter apart is its mesmerizing levitation. The bulb hovers gracefully above the base, creating a captivating visual experience. It is reinforced to prevent shattering and cracks in the case of a power outage, as a fail-safe magnet will pull the bulb to the neck of the lamp to prevent it from falling. It's also equipped with the ability to wirelessly charge your phone if you place it on the base. This device is not just a light source, it's a conversation starter as it offers an adjustable brightness level, making it perfect for various settings. You can easily turn it on or off with a gentle touch, and it's even compatible with smart home assistants like Alexa. Airpoints Ring. Are you looking for a way to make your presentation and digital life more fun and flexible? Say hello to the Airpoints Ring, the world's first 2-in-1 air and surface mouse. Airpoint Ring's 6-axis accelerometer translates the wrist movement into smooth mouse cursor signals with air gestures. It is a compact, wearable device that's revolutionizing the way we control our digital world. This small, sleek ring packs a powerful punch, with intuitive touch controls. It allows you to effortlessly navigate your devices, whether it's a computer, a smart TV, or a presentation screen. Point, click, scroll, and even gesture commands are right at your fingertips. Its ergonomic design ensures a comfortable fit, and it's compatible with various operating systems and devices, making it a game changer for professionals, gamers, and anyone looking for a more efficient and precise way to interact with technology. Livescribe Smartpen. Are you having problems switching between handwritten and digitally typed notes? Worry no further, with the Livescribe Symphony Smartpen, that combines the power of digital note-taking with the elegance of a traditional pen. You can write on paper, and it instantly digitizes your notes in seconds. Sync the pen with your devices via Bluetooth and watch your handwritten notes come to life on your screen, with the help of the IR camera that takes up to 72 snapshots per second, which captures and recreates your handwriting notes. It also records audio while you write, making revisiting lectures or meetings a breeze so you can stay organized and access your notes from anywhere. This remarkable pen is the future of note-taking. Purify. We have all seen and owned water bottles, but have you seen Purify? This bottle is more than just a water bottle. It's a sophisticated water purification system designed to keep you healthy and hydrated wherever you go. Its advanced purification technology is equipped with a powerful UV LED light that eradicates up to 99.9% of harmful bacteria and viruses from your water, ensuring you get clean and safe hydration on the go. It's easy to use, just fill it with tap water, press a button, and watch as Purify works its magic in just a few moments. It's perfect for travelers, outdoor enthusiasts, or anyone who values clean drinking water. Xreal AR Glasses. The Xreal AR Glasses are not just eyewear. They're your portal to a new reality. These lightweight, stylish glasses pack an incredible punch, equipped with advanced augmented reality technology. They overlay digital information seamlessly onto your real-world view, 3D spatial sound, and a powerful processor, with the help of two 1080p LED panels, one for each eye. These enhances your surroundings in ways you can't imagine. You can get directions, browse the web, play games, or even collaborate with colleagues, all hands-free. Imagine seeing live translation, interactive navigation, or 3D design tools right before your eyes. It serves as your personal assistant, letting you stay connected without the constant distractions of a smartphone. Pillow. Maybe you are tired of keeping track of your medications, or even going to the hospital, right? Meet Pillow. This is not just a smart device, it's your personal health companion, designed to make managing your well-being simpler and more convenient. Imagine having a dedicated health assistant right at your fingertips. Pillow is equipped with artificial intelligence, which can answer your health-related questions, dispense medication, and even connect with healthcare professionals. It helps you keep track of your medication schedules, monitors vital signs, and provides reminders for appointments, all from a sleek, user-friendly interface. Pillow connects to your devices, allowing you to access your health data and even control your smart home. It's like having a digital caretaker that seamlessly integrates into your life. Rollover. Are you a tailor, construction worker, or someone who has to make measurements? Forget the days of manual tape measurement and welcome to Rollover, a digitalized 1.3 inches OLED screen, stainless steel and ALPS sensor device that is a game changer in the world of measurement. This compact device redefines how we measure, making it easier and more accurate than ever before. With a simple roll, Rollover can measure a wide range of objects, from curved surfaces to irregular shapes. It's like having a digital tape measure at your fingertips. But what sets Rollover apart is its digital display. No more squinting at tiny markings, the measurements are shown on a clear and easy-to-read screen. Plus, it can instantly convert between units, inches, feet, centimeters, and more. Rollover is not just for DIY enthusiasts. It's perfect for professionals, students, and anyone who values precise measurements, and it can even save measurements, ensuring your data is always at your fingertips. Lucid Earbuds. Do you want to create a new world for yourself from the hassle of everyday work and stress? Lucid is the answer. Lucid is a portal to breathtaking virtual reality. With its cutting-edge technology and sleek design, it's redefining the way we experience and interact with the digital world. It offers an unparalleled level of immersion. You can step into your favorite games, explore captivating VR content, and even create your own virtual environments. The possibilities are limitless. It provides an expansive field of view and crystal clear visuals, creating an experience that feels real. The headset is lightweight and comfortable, allowing you to lose yourself in the virtual world for hours. It's compatible with a wide range of devices and platforms, ensuring you can enjoy VR content from your favorite sources. Geepods. Geepods is the world's first true wireless light earbuds. These earbuds are a mesmerizing fusion of audio excellence and dynamic visuals. Making it the world's first innovative earbuds with light control, the detachable earbuds shell can offer you a personalized light-up experience unique to your own mood, music preferences, or even style. These earbuds are like a party for your ears, offering a spectacular light show synchronized with your music. It's an experience that's not just heard but seen. The Basus Power Combo 6. We have all had issues sorting out our charger in the past. Say goodbye to cable clutter all over your home or office, and say hello to a more organized and efficient charging experience in the Basus Power Combo 6-in-1 charging station. With its two retractable USB-A ports, two USB-C ports, a wireless charging pad, and a 65-watt USB Circa PD port, this little powerhouse charges up to 6 devices at once. It works with your iPhone, Android, iPad, smartwatch, and even your MacBook. Plus, it's built with your safety in mind, featuring overvoltage, overcurrent, and short-circuit protection. The Basus Power Combo 6-in-1 charging station. It's the ultimate charging solution for the modern tech-savvy individuals that are tired of dealing with a tangle of chargers and cables. This sleek and versatile charging station is your answer. Aola Smart Football Egg Lamp. The Aola Smart Lamp is a fusion of modern aesthetics and smart technology, designed to illuminate your world in style. With a shape like a football, it's a trendy addition to any room. But it's not just about looks, it's a smart lamp that you can control the color, brightness, and even set dynamic lighting effects with a simple touch or through a smartphone app. It's compatible with voice assistants like Alexa and Google Assistant, giving you the convenience of hands-free control. Plus, it syncs with your music, creating a mesmerizing light show that dances to the rhythm of your favorite tunes. The lamp is not just a source of light, it's an expression of creativity and perfect for setting the mood, creating ambience, or adding a touch of modern design to your space. Ryston R1. Maybe just like me, you are tired of sorting out different books to read and take note on, and you just need all your books, notes and comics in one place that you can read in any color you want. Thanks to the Ryston R1 that combines the timeless charm of a traditional notebook with cutting-edge technology, using any pen from their collection, you can write or draw on the device just like you would in any other notebook. And it instantly digitizes everything you jot down for you to read later, no matter what time of the day, without worrying about your eye protection, as this device is designed with natural low-light technology that makes it comfortable for you to read anytime and anywhere. No matter if it's under sunlight or at night, you won't need to endure the eye strain of reading with electronic devices or the inconvenience of paper books. It comes with its thin, powerful, large-capacity 4,500 mAh battery that gives Ryston 100 days standby time, 300 hours working time on a single charge. Vern Custus. The Vern Custus headphones are not just your typical audio gear. They're a revolutionary listening experience that's about to change the way you enjoy music. The smart headphones have 4G LTE SIM capability, 256GB storage, and 6GB RAM options. The 2-inch LED screen allows you to configure, set up, and manage your headphones, browse the internet, and access your favorite social media platforms, providing crisp visuals and intuitive touch controls. The Vern Custus smart headphones are perfect for fitness enthusiasts. It can track all movements, like pace, steps, cadence, distance, and precise location, making it a dependable workout partner. Tenno. Tenno is not just your average speaker, it's a masterpiece that combines exceptional audio quality with a beautifully crafted lamp. It's a device that's as much about aesthetics as it is about performance. This innovative gadget delivers high-fidelity sound, making your music, podcasts, and audiobooks come to life. Tenno is designed to feel a little like magic. Cracking it open switches it on, and it comes alive with intuitive finger gestures, and piecing it back together switches it off. It's a lamp with a built-in speaker, and a noise-cancelling microphone for calls on speakerphone, making it perfect for setting the mood in any room. You can control both the lamp and speaker with a simple touch and adjust the brightness and volume effortlessly. It's compatible with your favorite devices, allowing seamless connectivity via Bluetooth. Tenno offers wireless charging capabilities, ensuring your devices are always powered up. It's perfect for any setting, be it your living room, bedroom, or office. AirNeo Selfie Pocket Drone. The AirNeo is a compact, portable drone designed to capture your most memorable moments from a whole new perspective. It's small and lightweight and fits in your pocket. Just unfold it, connect it to your smartphone, and let it take a flight. It's perfect for capturing group selfies, epic landscapes, and creative videos. With its high-resolution camera, it can capture stunning photos and videos. You can control it effortlessly with the smartphone app, and it offers multiple flight modes, including auto hover and follow me mode. The Air Selfie AirNeo is equipped with obstacle avoidance technology, ensuring a safe and worry-free flight experience. Flyover Pro. Meet the Flyover Pro, the motorized flying spinner that floats, glides, and climbs through the air at your command, then returns to your hand like a boomerang. The Flyover Pro is not your typical drone. It's a mesmerizing blend of technology and play. This handheld device combines the thrill of drone flight with the simplicity of a toy. With a durable design and easy-to-master controls, Flyover Pro offers a world of entertainment at your fingertips. You can launch it with a simple toss, and watch as it hovers and dances through the air. But here's where it gets exciting. The Flyover Pro is packed with versatile flight modes and tricks. From wild flips and rolls to controlled hovering, it's a performer in the sky as it lets you light up any space, with incredible acrobatic tricks and LED lights.